louder.
What do I say?
Well, no, you say
What are we
welcome. Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel. We're working on the van today. We're gonna Raptor line the inner fender wells and the bumper and the grill and the wheels.
They're black.
So they're all black, same color. Uniformity.
Already
Yeah.
painted trim.
Uniformity.
Oh yeah, we didn't even.
All brand new.
Yeah, so we painted the mirrors brand new, door handles brand new, this
Brand new.
brand new. What else are we missing back here? Missing this thing. Where'd that thing go?
Oh, it's gonna be brand new today too.
It's gonna be brand new, and then the rear bumper that's also gonna be brand new. So our neighbor has a sandblasting operation, so we got the wheels, which were like the Alcoa style wheels, blasted yesterday, and we were gonna have him powder coat them, but he's not gonna be back till Monday
Uniformity.
in uniformity. So what we decided was we're just gonna Raptor line the wheels. I think that's gonna be pretty cool. Raptor line the front bumper. You can see we got this thing all scuffed, ready to go. We already did the grill yesterday, and we used one of those cans. How much was in there?
Very little.
So
Minimal amounts.
for some reason, I thought we were going to be able to use one of those like $35 cans of Raptor Liner, which is like kind of for touching up stuff. I thought we were going to be able to do the grill, the bumper, and under the wheel wells, and we only got the grill done.
And like not even all the way done. There's still
There's still some spots and stuff in there that need some more. So I went to DNS Paint Center this morning, and I ended up getting another like quart kit of the Raptor Liner. So we're just gonna go ahead and spray that on all this stuff. But yeah, let's get her done. Let's get her started. Excited to see what this stuff does. Oh, and my father is on his way with some wheels or some tires.
Oh,
I mean,
nice.
so we're gonna have some tires available.
It's good. I know
For
a
this
guy that
thing.
can put those on probably.
Me too. So yesterday, Sean and Ty got the front grille on here, front bumper on here, painted the outside of the hubs so that they don't look all gross. Installed these 7.3 Powerstroke badges. I think those look pretty good, kind of tied all in together. And coming over here today, we had these headlights taken apart, and we actually blacked out the insides of the housings. So we're actually just going to go ahead and clear coat these guys, and then you should actually see the black beneath them. You know, we basically deleted all the chrome in there, so I think that's going to be a nice little touch. But yeah, just put some clear in the gun and we'll put the spray in. So she is officially on the ground. Freshly painted wheels, Raptor lined wheels technically. New lug nuts. These guys are black instead of the kind of the rusty looking silver ones that were on there. Painted the frame a couple months ago. Raptor liner on the outside of it. Got some fresh emblems. I think that we had to do this. Like if we didn't do the front, the headlights, like this thing would have just looked like crap with like the chrome. So obviously just everything, you know, with the theme, you know, we got the Raptor liner body, we got the Raptor liner wheels, the bumpers, now we got the headlights that are blacked out, matches everything else. Looks really good. So now we need to do something about this window tint. That's a big deal. Definitely not leaving that. We'll basically just strip it off and do all new like black limo tint on it in the back. Same for the front. The windshield does have a bunch of cracks and stuff in it, and so that's why we don't have the cowl on it, just because we're going to pull that out and do a new weather stripping going around the outside. So we cut that off so we could do the Rhino liner or the Raptor liner around it. Man, this thing looks really good. So these are basically a 33 1150 17, and these are the same wheels that were on it. So we just painted them black. Well, Raptor lined them black. But man, that's crazy. Just crazy how good it looks now compared to, and literally the only thing that we basically changed on the outside of it was the tires. Other than that, it was just paint, like just painting the stuff that was already there and doing the body work. So man, it's just crazy what a transformation, you know. Crazy what just a little bit of time and effort. Did the wheel wells up under there with the Raptor liner too. Door jambs. Oh, hell yeah, Sean. Well, did a good job, buddy.
Something to be proud of, huh, buddy?
something to be proud of. Well, and even all the gaps and stuff, just like lining up the gaps on the front made a huge difference on it. Because before, like the fenders were just kind of floppy and loose. But man, this thing just, man, I don't know what to do with it now. Like it's almost, it's crazy because before, when you seen it sitting out here, you like almost didn't care about it at all. Like it just looked like a piece of crap. Now, if like you pull up here, you're like, oh, what? Like that's something nice, you know? Like that's actually something impressive. So. Like if I seen this thing sitting in a parking lot somewhere,
you would look at it.
Well, yeah, I'd probably look at it, and I'd want to talk to the homie who had it. Yeah. You know, I'd be like,
talk to him.
I might wait and say, hey, what's up with your van? Do you want to sell it, bud? So maybe somebody will do that to me, or maybe we'll just sell this thing, or I don't know. Part of me wants to keep it for a little while because now this thing's pretty cool.
It's not bad.
What do you think?
It's coming along. Needs still a little bit more work, but it's coming along nice.
So after all this work, you just think it needs more work. What do you think it needs? Outside though, the outside of it. Not talking about the inside.
The outside, I would do different bumpers, one with a winch and stuff like that. Really give it that overlander look.
Yeah.
You need to get a ladder on the side. You need to get like a high lift jack. Bolt it back here, you know, just that way.
And
it
like
has
the
that
the roof basket too.
Yeah.
That's so like one of the things that everybody does is they do the ladder that goes up the quarter panel to the top, and then you do the basket on the top. So that's one thing that we've been talking about. So
and then we need to do propane injection.
Propane injection.
Propane.
Yeah, looks good with the new tires on it, and I don't think they're too big or too small. I think
They're
that's about
just right.
I think that's just right. They're probably gonna rub a little bit. We might end up having to cut a little bit of this, but we'll. I guess we'll cross that bridge when we go there. But I mean, I don't know what to say other than some glow plugs and stuff for the engine. Otherwise, we need to figure out what we're gonna do with the inside of it. Like I said, the whole plan behind this thing was to get this done to list it for sale. You know, part of me wants to kind of build it out into a little camper, and because it's crazy the price range of these things. They go from like I feel like this right now, how it looks is probably in the $25,000 range. Whereas if it had like a camper build out on the inside of it, you're looking like 30 to 40. The ones that have like the pop-up roof tents and stuff, like they get even crazier. Levi, the guy who runs Drift Colorado, he had his 7.3 van. He had it lifted on 37s and like a 4-link crazy articulation suspension. He ended up selling his for close to 50. And I was literally gonna sell this thing, like I was trying to get like 14 out of it like 2 months ago. So now obviously we added a lot of value by basically just painting it and not really a whole lot more actual money in it. But man, this thing just looks so sick. I almost can't stop looking at it. I want to drive it now. But it's gonna be it for this video, guys. Comment down below, and if you like this thing, freaking give this video a thumbs up, because this thing's pretty cool. Pretty proud of this transformation.